In this video, you will learn how to easily make some money on the side with the current airdrop that BITGET is doing. First of all, what is an airdrop? An airdrop simply is a marketing event that many projects or companies do to get their product out there, and in return for people using their products in the early stage, all the early adopters and users get a reward. Usually this is a token or a coin or some form of value that later on the users can swap for real value and benefit from the appreciation and also from their early use of the product. Now this airdrop is very interesting because it is very simple to make the money, and most people, for example, need a crypto wallet anyway. And this airdrop is related to BITGET's new Web3 wallet. BITGET announced the airdrop on their new wallet a while ago, which means that all the early users can make money by using the wallet in different ways. And I will show you step by step how you can also make some money, which actually is very simple. Step 1, you need a BITGET account. Now, if you don't have an account yet, you can make an account with this video or this video right here. I will link it for you. Then step 2, you will be on the homepage of BITGET. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to click on Web3, then click on BITGET wallet. Next, you click on download, and you can see there are 3 versions. One is for Android, iOS, or Chrome. I actually recommend, if you have an iPhone, to use the Apple version, and you can get this either on your phone or also on your desktop. I actually have both, so I will show you both ways. However, simpler and easier is to have it on your phone. So first, select your version, then download it, for example, App Store, or here in the Google Play Store or Android Store, or also you can have it as a Chrome extension. So for example, you will have the wallet showing up here in your browser directly, which also is very helpful. This is very similar to MetaMask. So if you are already a crypto user, it's going to be the exact same thing and same experience. However, the BITGET wallet is a bit better in the user interface and also in their functions. All right, in my case, I already have a BITGET wallet. So once you downloaded the wallet, it will show up right here on your desktop. So for example, I have some coins here. As you can see, I have some USDT Ethereum, and there are now 3 main ways how you can make some money from now until around the end of April. You can collect BVB points, and these points later can be redeemed for BVB tokens. So BVB will be the token that BITGET launches in relation to this wallet. So with these points that you collect right now, you can make money by swapping them later and then cashing them out or holding them long term if you want to. Once you have the wallet on your desktop, you can simply click here on home. Then you will see in big, just click on airdrop in progress. And then you will see a massive button right here, which you can click. Then you have to sign a transaction, which means you just simply click the button, which will show up right here. And then your account is activated, which means you will automatically collect all the points based on the activities you are doing with the wallet. Let me explain. There are 3 main ways how you can collect BVB points, which later you can redeem for BVB tokens around mid-May. So the first way is you can invite other people. So by activating your account, which I showed you before, you will get a link. You can share this link and you will earn part of your referral points. Also, this is way better, which is with swapping. So I will show you this in a moment. So for example, you can trade coins forth and back, just like how you can do in BITGET with spot trading. And number 3, by simply holding some coins in your wallet, you can also earn points every single day. So for swapping, you can simply click on trade, and this is the place where you can swap tokens forth and back. If you want to swap large transactions, I would recommend you do this on BITGET on the spot trade window. However, for convenience factor and for small amounts and super fast, I would do it in the wallet directly because it's convenient and fast. And also, there's one benefit. When you swap 2 tokens, for example, let's say I want to swap some Ethereum for USDT, BITGET is comparing all the top DEXs, aka decentralized exchanges, and they're giving me the best deal. So similar to a comparison site, it shows me the best deal. For example, let's swap some Ethereum for USDT. In this case, let's swap, for example, 50%. So down here, you can see the best channel here is PancakeSwap. So if you click on here, you will see all the different offers from all the other DEXs, and you can see PancakeSwap right now is the cheapest one, which is great because you don't have to check all of them. It does it for you automatically. So in this case, we are just happy. We click confirm, and that is it. One more thing, I recommend you to set the slippage to 1% or even better, 0.5 or 0.1. This simply means if the price deviates by more than this amount during your order, the order gets rejected and cancelled. This is just a safety mechanism for coins which are very, very volatile, which can move during the execution of the trade. However, these pairs like USDT and Ethereum are very stable, so it's not so relevant. However, to be safe, I recommend you use between 0.1 and 1% to be on the safe side. For this example, let's just put it to 0.5%. Let's click confirm. Now let's click confirm and confirm. Now we are signing the transaction. And okay. And as we can see, we have a bit more USDT now and a bit less Ethereum. So we just finished the swap successfully, and now we earn some BVB tokens, which we get once per day on our wallet. So essentially, if you want to swap tokens anyway for convenience factor, you will earn these points on the side, essentially as an extra bonus. So first way is by inviting people. Second way is by doing swaps. And the third way is by simply holding tokens as I have right now here in this wallet. So for example, if you have crypto holdings, I recommend you to have many wallets anyway. The main purpose of having this wallet is just to diversify your crypto holdings. The main part of your cryptos should be always stored on a cold wallet, aka a hardware wallet. This means that the private keys are not connected to the internet. In the description, I linked for you the two best currently in the market, which is Engrave and also Keystone. They are perfect if you hold large amounts of crypto. They are the safest right now. But for convenience factor, I would diversify across a few wallets. So for example, Trust Wallet from Binance, MetaMask, Exodus, and also the BITGET wallet. But right now, I would mostly use the BITGET wallet. So actually, I made a few of them because you can just collect the tokens, and here you get benefits. And here, here, and here, right now, there's no benefit for using the wallet. So during this airdrop, I will mostly use actually the BITGET wallet. And then once I have my tokens, I will spread my crypto again amongst the other wallets, which I've shown you in here. As you can see here, I have the BITGET wallet, also Exodus wallet. When you click on it, you can see here, I have the exact same wallet. The important part is always keep your backup phrase secure. So when you make your wallet, you will get 12 random words. You have to write them down and ideally keep them in 2 or 3 very, very secure places to back up your wallet in case your computer breaks or you lose your phone or any other worst case scenario. That's why I can have the wallet on my computer and also on the phone, on the go, which is in my opinion the best way because it's the most convenient. And on my computer, I have other wallets anyway. On the phone, you can also click the same thing, airdrop in progress, and you will see the exact same thing. You can track your points here. You can invite new people. You can do swaps. You can do holdings. Everything is right here explained. I hope this quick video helped you. If you have any more questions, please comment down below. Make sure you guys subscribe. Also hit the ring bell. The next few videos will be some trading videos that you guys commented down below in the last few videos because I read every single comment and I take every comment to heart, and I really appreciate your amazing feedback and support. So thanks again. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned. It's going to be a banger, and peace.